Hi, in this video we'll be discussing GMAT Official Guide 2017 edition Quant Problem Solving question number 127. Let's have a look at this question. Look at this question, they have given us a picture where it looks like in a rectangle they have mounted a semicircle. So they have given the diameter of the semicircle as 4 feet and they have also mentioned the length from the top to bottom as 10 feet. Right, so right from the figure we cannot make an assumption that it has to be a rectangle, but looks like a rectangle. Probably each and every angle could be also 89 point something or 91 92, also little more than 90 degree or less than 90 degree. We cannot make any assumption with the diagram. We have to make sure that read the question. The question says here the window in the figure above consists of a rectangle. Okay, so they have mentioned now rectangle, so that means this is 90 degree, 90 degree, this is also 90 degree. Okay, with semicircle and a semicircle with dimension shown above. So that means this is semicircle, so that means this is the diameter. So diameter is 4 feet, so that means diameter is nothing but 2 times of the radius. So radius is half of the diameter. Radius is diameter by 2. So in that case here it has to be 4 by 2, which is equal to 2. What is the area in square feet of the window? The area of the window they are asking. Let's try to draw it a little bit bigger, right? So whenever you see these type of questions, draw it your own diagram, right? So you have a 4 feet where the radius is 2, right? Radius is 2 and the entire height is given as 10 feet. To find the area of this, we have to find the area of rectangle and plus the area of circle, right? Area of circle. Area of the rectangle is nothing but length into width, right? So length into width, length times width, that is base times the height, plus the area of the circle, right? Area of the circle here, it's not necessarily a full circle, it is only a half semicircle. So area of semicircle we have to find. So area of semicircle is nothing but area of circle by 2. So in that case, area of circle formula is pi into r square, where r is the radius, right? So r square by 2. Okay, so we already know what is the radius is. Radius here is 2. So 4 pi by 2 is nothing but 2 pi. And also we know the width is nothing but the diameter of the semicircle is the width, I mean in that case, right, length of the rectangle. So that means 4 times of, right, w would be the area of the rectangle, right? So we have to figure out the w value still. But if you look at it, only two answer choices which has 2 pi plus something. Area of the rectangle cannot have further pi, so it's always going to be a whole number here. So if you look at it, only two answer choices has 2 pi plus something. So we can eliminate answer choice A, which is 8 pi, C also 8 pi we can eliminate, and also we can eliminate D, which says 4 pi. Either it has to be 40 plus 2 pi or 32 plus 2 pi. If at all, if area of the rectangle, if you are considering 40, since we already consider width as 4, I mean length as 4, then to the area to be 40, width has to be 10, which is not possible because they are saying width, entire width of the window, right? Entire height of the window itself is 10, but the width of the rectangle stops here, right? Width of the rectangle have to be definitely less than 10. Only this part is what width is. Entire height of the the window is what, 10 feet, right? Which is not possible, because 40 plus 2 pi would be too much of an area. So we can eliminate the answer choice B as well. So only answer choice which is pending is answer choice E. Answer has to be here E, right? But if you look at it, what's the process? Since this is 10 feet and this is 4 feet, right? And also we know that the diameter is 4, means radius has to be 2. Right? Let me draw a line parallel to this diameter, right? Parallel to this diameter, right? So in that case, any point from the center of the circle to the circumference, right, is the radius. So that means this length become 2, right? This length becomes 2. So if this length is 2, the entire length is 10 feet. So that means the width of the rectangle has to be 8. So that's it. So 4 into 8 will get you the answer, which is nothing but 32 plus 2 pi. Answer has to be here E, 32 plus 2 pi. Hope this is clear. Thank you.